Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. Um, right now I'm working on Victor's 555. It's coming out really great. I'm checking the install height for the valves right now. So this is how you do it in case you're wondering. So you take your retainer, you have a shim in here. So you pop it in like that. Actually for this one, it's kind of shallow, so you put it inside it like that. You grab your valve, make sure it's clean, and just pop it in. Goes in like that, and then take this little checker tool, put it out like that. And it fits in there just like a valve spring. So you put your keeper in like that, and then you adjust it so you can fit another keeper in, just like that, and you adjust it all the way out. It's almost there. Alright, then turn it so you can see the numbers. So that is 1.9 like 11. So that'd be 1.911. So it's a little yeah, I guess that's about good. It's about where it should be, because this one was 1.908, 1.905, so it's pretty close. So
And that's with the shim in it.
yeah, so that's when you when you would shim the valve spring. So these are the valve springs we're using. They're packed valve springs. They're pretty sweet. So it had solids in it before, so we're just checking it to make sure that they're gonna work, and they're gonna work great. Okay, so if you're building a street motor and you have and you buy some bare heads that aren't assembled or anything, the first step is to shim it. That's what I just did. In this case, you want it about give or take about 1.9, and you want like a 10,000ths, or yeah, should be about like a 10,000ths tolerance. All right, so then the next step is to make sure that you have the right springs for your application. So in this case, we went with these Pack Beehive springs. These are rated for a 750 lift. We're only running a 600 lift cam, so to fix that, we're using these 50 thousandths keepers. So they raise up the little like ridge in them, so it's 50 thousandths lower, so it'll push down on the valve spring a little bit more. So we're using those, and this is what used to be in the motor. These are triple spring solid. This is really good for like a really high RPM motor with a solid cam. We're running a hydraulic roller comp cam, so we definitely weren't going to use these. However, these Pack valve springs are really great for street, like a street engine that just is going to be a turnkey instead of having to adjust the valves every once in a while. So that's what we're going to run on Victor's motor. He didn't want to deal with the life of having a solid cam in his motor, so he wanted a hydraulic roller. So we gave him what he wanted. So next we have these valve seals. They're from Comp Cams. These are really nice. So these just slip over the valve, and they'll do a really great job. What else? All right, so after you have all of that done, you want to put the valves in the motor. Well, first you want to put the valve seals on you just slip over this little gold part here, the
Guide.
guide. You want to put the valve seals over the guide first, and then you just slip the valve through, and it pokes up out, and then you plop your valve spring right on top like that, and then you get your little retainer, and then you put 2 little keepers in, just like this. Well, actually, you compress the spring first on the valve, so it's compressed, it's squished down, and then there's a gap in it, so you can just slip the little keepers on, and then you can release the valve spring compressor, and then it will hold the keepers will hold the valve spring. So yeah, that's the step after you shim the valves. And after that, after you do that for all of them, you can work on, you can put the head gasket on the motor, and then you can put the head on the motor, and then you can work on, I'm going to work on tightening down the head, torquing it down, and then I'll put the studs on, rocker arm studs. I'll put the push rods in, the lifters, all that, and adjust the valves, and yeah, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated, and if you guys want to see anything specific, let me know. I'll probably do it for you. But yeah, I hope this helps. If any of you have bought a bare head, or a head that wasn't assembled, this is the right way to do it.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the head all assembled, and it's ready to go on the 555.